cinematic scenes look like they came straight out of a Hollywood movie. But none of them were filmed. They were generated entirely with AI using a tool called Seedance 2.0. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create videos like this, step by step. To start, just hit the link in the description and you'll land on the Seedance 2.0 website. Once you're here, click the login button. You can quickly create an account using Google or your email, which only takes a few seconds. After logging in, you'll be taken directly to the Seedance dashboard. Now to start creating videos, simply click the Try Seedance 2.0 button. This will open the video generation workspace, where all the magic happens. Inside the generator, you'll see 3 different creation modes: reference generation, first and last frame, text to video. Each mode generates videos in a completely different way, so let's start with the first one. The first mode is reference generation. This allows Seedance to turn a single image into a cinematic video scene. Start by uploading a reference image. In this example, I'm using an ancient jungle temple environment. Now we describe what should happen in the scene. Instead of controlling every tiny detail, just describe the motion naturally. For this video, I am using this prompt. You will find all the images and video prompts in the description. Next, we select the video settings. Aspect ratio 16:9, resolution 720p, duration 12 seconds. Now click Generate Video. Seedance will take the image and prompt and start building a moving scene. This usually takes a few moments while the model generates the animation, and just like that, the image transforms into a cinematic shot. Notice how the camera moves naturally through the environment, while the lighting and atmosphere remain consistent. Now let's try the first and last frame mode, which creates a transformation between 2 images. First, upload the starting frame, in this case, ancient desert ruins. Then upload the final frame, which is a fully restored Golden Empire city. Now we describe the transformation. The ruins slowly rebuild themselves as stone pillars rise from the sand, temples reconstruct piece by piece, and the Golden Empire city emerges across the horizon. Once everything is ready, click Generate Video. Seedance will now animate the transformation between 2 scenes, and the result is a cinematic transition where the ruins evolve into the Empire City. This feature is especially powerful for storytelling historical scenes and world building.
From dust we rise, to glory return.
Now let's test the third creation mode inside Seedance, text to video. This is where things get really interesting, because here we don't upload any images at all. Instead, the entire video is generated purely from a text description. So here we simply describe the scene we want to create. For example, let's generate a realistic everyday moment. We'll write something like, a young woman hanging laundry on a balcony during sunset, finishing one piece of clothing and reaching into the basket for another, gently shaking the fabric before placing it on the clothesline. Next, select the video settings. Aspect ratio 16:9, resolution 720p, video duration 12 seconds. Now click Generate Video, and Seedance will start building the entire scene from the prompt. This usually takes a few moments while the model generates the animation. And the result is a fully generated cinematic moment created entirely from text. Notice how the fabric moves naturally, and the motion of the character feels continuous. This is one of the areas where Seedance performs surprisingly well. If you'd like to try it yourself, you'll find the Seedance 2.0 link in the description below. If you want to recreate these exact examples, all the images and prompts used in this video are included in the description. For more on Seedance 2.0, watch this video. See you in the next video.